Hey guys, this is Fundo on One Show Parama. Coming up next on Imbewu this week, Monday, Makosazana visit Mzwandile and leave him enveloped with cash and the recording of Zetulele moving his nice body. Tusheleni presumes Nomsa won't go through with Pangele ritual, but is tense when she says she wants him to do it with her. Tuesday, Makosazana off to help Mzwandile getting revenge on Zetulele. After hearing Zetulele will be at the harbor for dinner, she passed the information to Mzwandile and he got ready to kill. Wednesday, what was intense to be romantic dinner turns into a night of surprise when Sbongara reveals to Zetulele that she pregnant with his child. Angele takes Nomsa and Tushelen to phase into order to success complete the Uktwebola ritual. Mzwandile and Zetulele treble this day. Nairobi has to step in and save the day with Shira Arroll's cook Forel. Pagade reveals what has happened from Kanyo, who then found Mzwandile injured. Friday, the Bengu decides to take matter in their own hands when Mzwandile is missing. Kanyo found Mzwandile injured and turns to his wonder the best she can. That is for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.